A colossal asteroid, miles wide, slammed into Earth, creating a scar visible from space. This unimaginably violent event reshaped our planet's destiny forever. The sheer force of such an impact dwarfs any human-made explosion imaginable. Planetary bodies across the solar system bear the indelible marks of cosmic collisions. These scars tell a profound story of a dynamic, often chaotic, cosmic neighborhood. Understanding impact craters reveals secrets about geological processes and planetary evolution. They are natural laboratories, offering invaluable insights into extreme conditions. This is the story of how impacts sculpt worlds and influence life itself. Imagine a celestial body hurtling through the void at incredible speed. For billions of years, Earth has been a target in this cosmic bombardment. Most impacts are small, burning up harmlessly in our atmosphere as shooting stars. But some are catastrophic, possessing the power to rewrite planetary history. Consider the Chicxulub impactor, a celestial bullet that forever changed life's trajectory. This colossal object, estimated to be 10 miles across, struck with unimaginable fury. It struck the Yucatan Peninsula, igniting a global inferno and triggering devastating tsunamis. The energy released was equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. This single event is strongly linked to the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. But that's not the strangest part of the story. The impact wasn't just a single explosion. It was the start of a chain reaction. Vast quantities of dust and debris were ejected high into the atmosphere.
This atmospheric shroud blocked out the sun's vital rays for months, maybe years. Temperatures plummeted, and photosynthesis ceased, collapsing ecosystems worldwide.
Scientists meticulously study crater morphology to understand impact physics.
The shape and size of a crater reveal the impactor's velocity and composition.
Complex craters, for instance, feature central peaks formed by rebounding rock. Simple craters are typically bowl-shaped, with smoother, slumped walls. The ejecta blanket surrounding a crater can extend for hundreds of miles. Wait until you hear about the geological consequences. Beyond immediate destruction, impacts can trigger massive volcanic activity. They can also alter the planet's crust, creating unique mineral deposits. Some scientists even propose that impacts may have delivered water and organic molecules. These early impacts could have been crucial for the origin of life itself. And then something unexpected happened. The forces involved can melt and vaporize rock, creating glass-like tektites. These glassy fragments are found scattered across vast distances from the impact site. Studying these tektites provides direct evidence of the impact's extreme heat and pressure. Impacts also create unique geological features, like shatter cones. These cone-shaped rocks are a telltale sign of intense shock waves. The scale of geological change is truly mind-boggling. Even small impacts can reshape landscapes over geological timescales. They create valleys, basins, and uplift mountain ranges through their sheer force. The moon's heavily cratered surface is a testament to billions of years of bombardment. It serves as a stark reminder of the violent processes that shaped our solar system. Mars displays a similar, though less dense, history of cosmic impacts. Its massive impact basins, like Hellas Planitia, are truly colossal. Earth is still being hit, though less frequently, by large objects. Our atmosphere and active geology often erase evidence of smaller impacts, but the threat of a large impact remains a significant cosmic concern. Understanding these events helps us prepare for potential future threats. It's a constant dance between planetary formation and cosmic chance. These cataclysmic events are fundamental to understanding our planet's history. They are powerful forces that have continuously shaped Earth's surface. The geological record is etched with the stories of these celestial collisions. From the smallest meteorites to the planet killers, impacts matter. They are a crucial part of our planet's grand, ongoing story. If you found these cosmic collisions fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Understanding these events helps us appreciate our place in the universe. We are living on a dynamic world, shaped by forces beyond our control. These impacts are not just destructive, they are creative forces too. They recycle materials and create environments for new geological formations. The next time you look up, remember the cosmic impacts. They are a fundamental part of our planet's incredible geological story. If you want to explore more amazing discoveries, hit subscribe and join our journey. Let us know in the comments which planetary scar you find most intriguing. If you found these cosmic collisions fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.